Just a disclaimer, everything I say in this video is in respect to the film Court, which came out in 2014. You have to say this, otherwise maybe someone just puts a case on me for contempt of court. Who knows? Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and today we're talking about the Indian film Court, which was India's official entry for Oscars in 2015. It also won the National Award for the Best Film. Now written and directed by Chaitanya Tamhane, starring Veera Satidhar, Vivek Kombar, Gitanjali Kulkarni, Pradeep Joshi and many more. I'm angry. I'm very angry, I'm furious, and this is such a good film that it makes you angry because it does its job perfectly in depicting the incompetency of our judicial system. It's just a ruthless, unfunny joke. And who faces this the most? The lower class, because they are insignificant to us privileged. Now, courtroom dramas are one of my favorite genre, and this film ruined it. Because this film makes me realize that all those films that I really like are fictitious, exaggerated films with such great debates and dialogues. At the end, it's all fiction. Nothing is real. All of this dialogue bazi only happens in films. Because in reality, it's uncinematic, undramatic, and unattractive. The cinematography is very minimal. It reminds me of the Kannada film Tithi. The camera always stays at one point. It feels like a CCTV. It's a single peephole for us audience to look at it. And it creates the illusion that everything we are looking at is real. The only camera moment is a pan, that's it. And like in Tithi, when the characters leave the frame, we are still looking at that frame. Because a peephole always stays there, it doesn't move. So we have to go and look at the story through another peephole. Colors are used throughout the film to make distinctions between people, between their caste, their class. The color of clothes they are wearing distinguishes them. Now if you haven't seen it, you can go watch it wherever it's available because it's not available on major OTT platforms. Let's talk about some of the scenes. At the beginning of the film, we are introduced to the accused, Narayan Kamble. We see he's teaching the kids. Then we follow him through the city, going to a stage to perform, where he is arrested by the police. Then we follow Vinay Vora, who's a defense lawyer for Narayan Kamble. We see his life. Then we see public prosecutor Nutan's life. And at the end, we see Judge Satwarte's life. And I wonder, what's the point of it? Show us the main accused, right? The main story. Show us Narayan Kamble. Show us his struggle and his suffering in the jail. But no, that's not the main story. That's not the point. Showing us the lives of these characters is the main point. That how unaffected their lives are from this incident. All of this is normal to them. It's an everyday thing. But we as audience are shocked. We are devastated to witness the broke system. But they don't even flinch. It's a daily chore for them. And when we see each of their lives, there's a social commentary going on, which is still so true and relevant today. Consider the whole court proceedings. No one in that court wants to be there. But they have to because it's their job. Justice, our fundamental rights, is a daily task for these people who don't want to be there, who are bored of it, who don't care about it. And logic doesn't work here. Because if it did, in 2 minutes the case would end. But it takes months and years to happen. False witnesses, false accusations, just pure bullshit. And this incompetency is just sad. It just blows me away. It is such a simple case that sewage cleaners don't get any safety or protective gear. The municipality is trying to save themselves and putting it all on Narayan Kamble because he has a history of talking against the authorities, and they found a goat to sacrifice. And the police is doing everything to shift the focus and the blame on him. That's so simple. That's the plot of the film. That's it. But no, that's not the plot at all. The plot is how such simple thing will be dragged out for days, months and years. And by the end, if it gets solved, there's always UAPA and sedition case. Put it on anyone, put them in jail for years. That's it. No questions asked. We see it happening today, right? That's it. Done. Fight closed. At the end, we see the court in darkness. Justice is unserved. And the last scene, the judge is sleeping, and if someone tries to wake him up, he gets a slap and the judge goes back to sleep again. And if you didn't get it, the judge here is a judicial system. So now what? I'll ask you, like the video, subscribe, check out the videos. Yeah, that's it, right? I'll move on. You'll comment something. You'll ask me to watch this movie, that movie. I'll watch it. I'll review it. We all will move on. That's it. Wow, great movie. Was sent to Oscars. Great. Got national award. Yay. Move on. Make great movies. Tomorrow we'll talk about Tenet. Yay. That's it, right? That's it. And that is the most saddest part of the film. That after watching it, you do nothing. You just move on because you cannot do anything. That's it. Thank you for watching.